2019 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.